You want to install WordPress in your system such that you can create a website that looks exactly the way you want, but at the same time you are not sure that how we can install it. Then you are at right place. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you are watching Technoholic. In this video I'm gonna show you the easiest method of installing WordPress in Windows such that you can try and build website that you always wanted for free. And guess what? After you feel you are satisfied, you can host or transfer the same website online. And in this channel I'm gonna also show you that. So if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, then I would consider you to subscribe to Technoholic. Okay, so let's see how we can install WordPress in our Windows device. For that, let me open browser here. So I'm gonna click on Windows button and then I'm gonna type EDZE, which is Microsoft Edge browser, and then we need to type WordPress by Flywheel. Okay, and then click on this link. And there is a reason why specifically we are downloading WordPress through Flywheel, because it packages WordPress in a way which make it very easy, and then there are many other add-on or capability. For example, despite you will be creating your whole website offline, but let's say you want to show it to someone, you can do that by creating the link that you may not gonna get using other method, for example installing XAMPP server and doing things manually. Now all we need to do here is we need to click on local and then click on download for free. Then here you can choose your platform, you can type your name, and in organization it's up to you, and then click on get it now. And there we go, we can see we are downloading this package, and this is all we need. The process is pretty straightforward and simple. Okay, so here we can see we have successfully downloaded this package. So in order to see what we need to do in general, if you are not using any download manager, you need to click on these three dots and then click on downloads. So here you should able to see the package. Okay, so here is the package. Now let me make a double click on it, and then we need to click on next, install, and now all we need to do is we need to wait for a while, and there we go. So we can see we have successfully installed this. Now click on finish, and there we go. So first time you're gonna see this kind of interface. Now in order to create a site, all we need to do is we need to click on this add local site on the below right corner, and then click on create a site. Let's say you already have an option to drag and drop existing site here, but we would like to show you how to create from scratch. So I'm gonna click on create a new site, then continue. Then here we can give it a name. So let's say I'm gonna say this is my company site, so I'm gonna say agency site. Then if I click on advanced, here we also have an option to customize the domain and then customize the site path, but for the time being I'm gonna keep all these things as it is. Then I'm gonna click on continue, and then here also we have option to customize which PHP version we would like to go or which server you want. So by default it is NGINX, which is superior when compared to Apache. That's really nice because it is selecting one of the best backend that gonna give you immense performance. Again here from the database side you have option to select from MariaDB or MySQL. Again, if you are not aware of, I would say keep all these things as it is and go with preferred. But if you are an advanced user, you have option to customize it. So when we select preferred, this is the PHP version which we're going to use, and then the server will be NGINX, and then the database will be MySQL. Now let's click on continue, and then here you need to create username, password, which is very important. So remember these credentials, guys, because these are the credentials that you're going to use every time whenever you want to log into your website. So login is only for you, not for the viewers, and the login is required so that you can make changes to the site. Okay, so I'm gonna create this login here, and then again here you're gonna see more settings, and then you also have an option to create this WordPress multi-site. But again, let's go with the flow and let's keep the thing with default, and then I'm gonna click on add site. And now I will wait for a while till the WP local will set up everything. And there we go. So here we can see we have successfully created this site, and this is probably working. So if you want to see the website, what we can do here is you can click on open site, and there we go. So here you can see we have successfully installed WordPress in our Windows machine, and that too in a easiest way. There was no 2 or 3 software installation required, nothing broken, or you do not need to be too advanced in setting up all these things. It was very simple. Now in order to edit this website, you require to visit admin, and here we also have got a link to admin. And now all we need to do is we need to enter those credentials that we have created, and let's click on login. And finally we are inside our WP dashboard, from where you can create posts, pages. You can also go to appearance and install themes, and based on the kind of content that you are working. For example, let me search for agency theme, and there we have it. So maybe let's say I would like to go with this one. So I'm going to select this theme, and then I'm going to click on install, and let's wait for the installation to get completed. And finally we have completed. And now let's click on activate, and now again I'm gonna go here on the top and then click on visit site, and there we go. We have made this site ready. So if you really like this theme, all you need to do is you need to click on edit site, and then you can customize it. Let's say you do not want this particular sentence, you can customize it, and then you're gonna keep the thing the way you want. For example, I'm gonna write my channel name, which is Technoholic, and then I'm gonna click on save, and that's how we make the customization. So that's how, guys, you can download and install WordPress in your system. And additionally, I also shared with you a quick tip like how you can quickly get started in a easiest possible way. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of questions or doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. And do subscribe to Technoholic for more such productivity video, and I will see you around.